Using OR with if-else statements. Using OR with conditions. We can use OR in multiple conditions with if-else statements. It will be true if at least one of the conditions is true, but it will return false if all the conditions are false. Let's see how. Okay, go to brackets now, and now I will show you how to use OR with conditions. Create any variable such as 10 equal 10. Another variable 5 equal 5. Let's use if statement to show how to use OR with them. For example, we can say if 10 equal 5 or 10 greater than or equal 5, colon. So if the condition is true, we will make 10 variable is equal 0. Then print a string of true, else, colon, print a string of false. After that, try that on terminal. Nice, it's print true. Do you know why, guys? Because one condition of this expression is true. So if we try to change 10 equal 5, it will print false, because all the conditions are false. Okay, thanks for watching.